Welcome up, guys. What's up, guys? So this is the 2000 series. The reason my game's lagging is because I have quite a lot of vehicles. So this is gonna be the start of the 2000s. First ever real good series. I'm gonna try to continue this every day, after every day. But so let's just go through all the equipment. So first we have two. My sprayer good? What the John? What are you doing, dog? So first, yeah, we have this, but I know it's not like super 2000s-y, but sometimes we can just cheat a little bit because I don't really have a 2000 sprayer. So starting out with this, we have a good old sprayer. And then we have two K&Ws. So this is a 18 liter 740. This is a 340 liter 8 liter. So this kind of sucks. This one a ton more pulling power. So in the back here, so this is a 9650 STS. It's got a 12-row corn head. It's got a big top extension. That's got the longest one I can put on there. It doesn't specify. So, and this is my big boy. So this is my 9870 STS. So this is a big combine. Both of them have 12 rows. So this is a 26 feet long auger, and then we have this nice header. That's a draper. So, and then we have a nice trailer, a nice header trailer that works really good. And then, so that's like oh wait, I didn't even show you the good things. Here, so this is a Demco 1300. It's got an electric tarp. And on the front of this bad boy, we've got a 9430. Maxed out weights. It's got DEF fluid, so it's really nice. I think y'all are gonna enjoy this series. So we're gonna be doing some corn harvesting this. It's 9 in the morning, looking really good, feeling really good. Then we have a case. So let's start from right here. So this is a John Deere. What has happened? I'm genuinely so confused. This is not how I put it in here. Did a mini tornado start ripping through here? I think it's just a lag, honestly, but. So this is a John Deere 2-track. Can't remember what one it was actually. Yeah, it's an 8230T. So it's a 12, a 1720, 16 row on the back, max emerge. It's really fancy. And then we've got a Case IH early riser. This is also 16 row, 2150. And then we've got a 250 under. This is a 2018. Closest thing they had to the 2000s for me. They don't have anything else. It's a Magnum AFS. And then over here we have two 9430Ts. These are they're supposed to be plows, or these are supposed to be cultivators, but they plow. So yeah, that's all of the equipment. So this is the house. This is our main house. It's from Alma, Missouri. And we're in Alma, Missouri right now. So this is my daily driver. Good old nice daily driver. Then I know this is a Husqvarna, but I'm trying to make it look like a Toro or a Gravely or something, but I don't know. And then we've got the Dodge 3500. This is like our worker. She works. This is our thing to tow around. And then up here, we've got our trailer. Don't ask how I got it up there. And we've got our little shed for utilities and stuff. So this is where I put my trailer. Really nice, honestly. This is my first ever good build. So this is my first I actually tried building. So these are going to be 2 fields. And then on the base farm up here, which is not going to yield good at all because how many weeds there is in it. And then on this alfalfa, and I'm going to do a hay farm. I actually have more info on that. Hold on. I don't know if on the list up here, but. And then we have this. This is really nice. It's a Heston. This is going to start our industry, so for hay and stuff, but I'm not going to be using it right now. Oh, and then for our grain trailers, we have 2 Wilson pace setters. They look really good, honestly. So this is 1, this is 2. And then I'm never gonna open this back door unless I really need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start hooking up everything. So we're gonna need everything out of this shed right here. Nothing out of that one. And this site here looks good to me, but 18 liter. Cold start, baby. So, hook up to these bad boys. And I've got different gravel in every place. That's different, I don't know why. Just how I'm modeled it. The house, it's like a dark gravel, and this is like a light gravel. The pathway is also like a light gravel, so. I think the build looks really good. And then I had a failed project. I'm gonna put a John Deere up there or something, but haven't had the time to put it up there, so I've got that built. I'm doing this based off of like Squad Farms. Or the Squad. I'll take really big inspiration from them. So, and I own the farm in real life. My dad used to do row crop. In his heart and stuff. He just couldn't do row crop anymore. Where am I going? Golly. I'll also add a new thing. So I just got a steering wheel. And I'm not lying, I'll post another video after this about it. It's really nice. You can ask Amos. It's called Amos. His channel's called Amos Outdoors. You can ask him. He's kind of popular for all the people that do watch my videos. No, he's not kind of. He's really popular. He's got like 100. Last time I checked, he's got like 115 subscribers, probably more after now. But he's in Hawaii right now with his brother and sister. So, and I don't edit any of these videos because I don't have YouTube Studios. All I have is CapCut, and I just hardly ever use CapCut. Hi. So, do I own this field over here? I genuinely don't. I don't think I do. I think I sold it. Yes, I think I sold it. Alright. Open the 8 liter. I hate this thing. This sucks. It has 0 pulling power whatsoever. Also take big inspirations from Amos too. He says we're friends. We are friends. I think we're friends. I don't know if he thinks so, but I think we're friends. And we always talk to each other like this. So, this might just be a tour actually, because we're already 9 minutes in. Maybe I'll make this like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna try to expand the farm. Right now I just don't have a lot of fields and stuff, so my lawn's not growing. It's kind of making me mad. Don't mind my sister, she sneezes like a freight train. Don't try to listen to some of this stuff up there. It's just my family, because I do it downstairs set up. So we're getting our own house. Right now, our grandma's living with us, but technically we're living with her, because she lives in the house, and we own the house, so. It might just be taking the equipment over here. Honestly, next video I'll post a harvest. So I'm gonna try to, and I actually started this series from scratch. If you don't notice, we're in FS22 because this has tons better mods for me. 25 don't have as good mods because they don't have like all the 9650, 9870 STSs. They don't have all that good equipment. And it don't have that fancy planter, don't have like those early risers, so everything's just not as good as FS22. Don't get me wrong, physics in FS22 aren't as good, but for me it all comes down to mods. Cause I'm really specific about my mods. Hop in the 9430 here. I'm bad at backing these tractors out. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. This is no good. This might just be the rest of the video. Just me trying to get this out, dude. Yo! I hate these joint tractors. I'm not good with using them at all, but they're nice high horsepower. Where am I going? These are my grain bin setups. Yeah, I take a big inspiration from the squad. They're like my favorite YouTubers. Even though they didn't post until like 2 days ago. They posted like 3 months ago was their last video that he's been busy with planting. I'll give him that. Just this one time. Yeah, he's been busy with planting beans and stuff, so. Y'all rate this build 1 through 10, okay guys? Because I really tried on this one. I'm just not a good builder on all this stuff. I'm just not made to do all this, but either way. Yeah, they have all these big tractors too, all the nice ones that I really like, so that's why I'm playing with this one too. And don't let me know if they've added them, because I genuinely have not checked them like forever. Whoa, Sunyan. This is the 9650. It's nice. It's like, my dad actually had a 9650 STS for row crop farming, but he used the 6 row instead of a 12. But I've also added some modifications to where it can. Honestly, I don't even know if it can on this. All I know is bigger is better. So, yeah, this is all this video is going to be. Just bringing the equipment over. I try not to make super long videos. I also remember FS25 never tried to make that Grandpa's Farm series. Dude, that was terrible. I've never tried to. I've never done anything. I've never posted every day. Every time I try to make a video, but. And I know this is more like 2020s-ish, but I couldn't find any 12-row headers that didn't fold, so that's what we're gonna have to go with. They look like a 2000. They look like a 2000's header from whenever they're folded out. And the squad, like their Bush combine. I wish I could have that. It's cool. Golly, I've already run you all over. I'm sorry. Try to make my videos 15 minutes long, but. First, I'm just going to get a little clip of the field to see how it's yielding. If I had to guess, not good, so. I'm just guessing. How is this yielding? Terrible. Okay. Oh, it gets better right there. Oh, there's big old sections out in the field. I like Elmo, Missouri's textures. So. Can't the future just wait? This is a bigger tank and better horsepower. And I'm pretty sure it has better everything, so. It doesn't have better wheels though. I like the thin wheels on better. It's a better tailboard than the 9650, so. Okay, this video might be 20 minutes actually, so y'all just gonna have to deal with it. But anyway, because next video will definitely be harvesting. After harvesting, we'll be spraying and planting everything. how that stick always stays full. That kind of irks me. Okay. Anyways. Of course this has to happen to me. Wait, why is that offset? Shouldn't it be in the middle? Or am I just like stupid? Can't the future just wait? It's that really side of that makes more sense. Sorry for talking a lot, it's just what I like to do. That's why I yap in all of my videos. Met her on my way to Chicago, where she was all alone. She smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the video for today. That's gonna be a wrap. Let me know and rate the video 1 through 10 and rate the build 1 through 10. Anyways, like, subscribe, and goodbye.